Tired of hunting through Zoho Books to create a debit note? By the end, you'll issue one perfectly in under 3 minutes. First, we'll open the debit note module. Then, I'll guide you through each field. Finally, we'll save it as a draft. Let's start by opening Zoho Books to begin creating your debit note. Go ahead and click on the General tab. Then, click on Debit Note to access the debit note settings. Now, click Save to apply any changes. Once saved, click Close Settings to return to the main dashboard. Next, click on Invoices to navigate to the Invoices area. Click the arrow down button to reveal more options. Then, select New Debit Note from the drop-down to create a new one. Now, click on Select or Add a Customer to choose who this debit note is for. From the list, click on AI Marketing Campaign as your customer. Click on the Reason field and select a reason from the drop-down. Choose Correction in Invoice to indicate the purpose. Then, type the order number associated with the original invoice. Click on Select or Add Salesperson to assign someone to this transaction. From the options, choose AI Expert as the salesperson. Now, type the reason for the debit note in the provided text field. Next, type a description to provide additional details about the debit note. Click on the Rate field and enter the rate for the item or service. Then, type the tax amount that should be applied. Click on Select a Tax to choose the appropriate tax rate. From the list, select Sales Tax 8% to apply the 8% tax. Now, type the terms and conditions for this debit note. Finally, click Save as Draft to save your work without finalizing it yet. That's it for creating a debit note. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.